So what you'll need to make this is 2 cups of tapioca flour, 2/3 a cup of milk, I used whole, 1/4 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 a cup of shredded Parmesan, 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella, 1 egg, and 3 tablespoons of canola oil. You'll also need a mini muffin tin, and if you don't want a grueling arm workout, a hand mixer. So before we get started, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. So now you're going to grab a small saucepan, and to the pan you're going to add 2/3 a cup of milk, 1/4 cup of water, 3 tablespoons of oil, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now put it on the stove at medium-high heat and bring to a soft boil. Make sure you give it an occasional stir. Into a mixing bowl, you're going to add 2 cups of tapioca flour, the liquids that you just warmed up. Now give it a good stir. Then add your egg. Stir it a little bit more. Now it's time to add all your cheese. Oh, I love cheese. Cheese! Mix it a little bit more. Now it's time to grab your hand mixer. When all is said and done, your dough is going to be a very sticky, taffy-like consistency. So sticky that this happens. Oops. Nope, this is actually my first time using a hand mixer. So now it's time to form the dough into balls. So grab a small dish and fill it with water, and you're going to dip your fingers in it so the dough does not stick to your hands as badly. Form your dough into golf-sized balls. Bake for 16 to 18 minutes. Thanks for watching, guys. Now go enjoy your ooey gooey Pao De Queijo.